In this video, let's quickly talk about the way that you can fix the Facebook Reels upload failed. If you just try to upload the reel onto your Facebook account and for some reason it is not being uploaded, in this situation, the first thing that you can immediately do is clear out Facebook, the app of Facebook, from the recent list and try to see if you can now fix this issue. If this is not the case with you, then what you can also try out is try to clear the app cache of Facebook. So just tap and hold the app, head over to this eye icon. Once you're inside of this settings page, you can just tap on the storage option and then tap on clear cache. Once you complete the step, try to see if you can now upload your reel. If you're still having issues, then what you can also try out is try to uninstall the app of Facebook from your device and then again reinstall it. This ensures that you have the latest version of the application, so any sort of bugs which may be causing the issue earlier should be now fixed. You can also try to restart your phone, and once you complete all of these steps, you should be able to fix the Facebook Reels upload failed. If this guide video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up.